Chevrolet just proved something the competition doesn't want you to know. You can get legitimate 3-row space, turbocharged power that exceeds old V6s, and class-leading cargo capacity without paying luxury SUV prices. If you've been shopping for a family hauler and keep running into the same frustrating choice between cramped third rows or emptying your wallet, the 2027 Traverse solves both problems at once. Most 3-row crossovers force you to sacrifice either passenger comfort or performance to stay under budget, but this one is different. Let's check it out. Unbeatable cabin space. Here's where the Traverse earns its reputation as a family hauler that refuses compromise. Unlike most 3-row crossovers where adults squeeze uncomfortably into back seats, this Chevrolet offers legitimate adult-friendly space in all 3 rows. The second row provides 41.5 inches of legroom, nearly matching what you'd find in full-size sedans. Even better, the third row delivers 32.1 inches, enough space that teenagers won't complain on longer trips. Picture this scenario. Your in-laws are visiting for the holidays and you need to drive everyone to dinner across town. In most crossovers, someone's drawing the short straw for that cramped third row, leading to complaints before you even back out of the driveway. The Traverse changes that dynamic entirely. Front passengers get 44.3 inches to stretch out, establishing the Traverse as genuinely spacious throughout. But legroom tells only part of the story. The seating position in the third row sits high enough off the floor to avoid that awkward knees-to-chest position that plagues most competitors. Adults can actually sit back there without feeling punished. Cargo capacity separates the Traverse from pretenders in this segment. Behind the third row, you're looking at 22.9 cubic feet of usable space, perfect for grocery runs or weekend gear. Fold that third row down and the space expands to 56.6 cubic feet, handling everything from furniture to camping equipment. Drop all rear seats and the Traverse opens up to 97.6 cubic feet. That's class-leading territory that challenges full-size SUVs. The LT trim offers an optional second-row bench seat, pushing capacity to 8 passengers. That configuration works perfectly for large families needing maximum people hauling capability. Captain's chairs come standard on other trims, trading one seat for easier third-row access and increased comfort on longer journeys. But all that space means nothing if the Powertrain can't move 7 or 8 passengers confidently, which is exactly why Chevrolet's engine choice matters so much. Efficient Turbo 4. The last redesign brought significant powertrain changes that initially raised eyebrows. Out went the familiar 3.6-liter V6, and in came a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder that seemed undersized on paper. Performance numbers tell a different story. The Turbo 4 produces 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque, actually exceeding what the old V6 delivered. Highway passing maneuvers happen without drama, with plenty of reserve power available when merging or climbing grades with a full load of passengers and cargo. Fuel efficiency improves despite the added power. Front-wheel drive models achieve 20 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway, while all-wheel drive versions return 19 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. Those numbers beat what the heavier V6 managed, proving that downsizing doesn't mean sacrificing capability. The all-wheel drive variant includes a larger fuel tank, extending driving range to 456 miles between fill-ups. Towing capacity holds steady at 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. That's enough for small campers, boat trailers, or utility trailers without straining the powertrain. The standard trailering package includes a heavy-duty cooling system, ensuring the turbocharged engine stays cool even when working hard. A 220-amp alternator and special hitch view camera system round out the towing features, making trailer hookups and backing maneuvers significantly easier. Performance matters, absolutely, but you know what else catches attention in parking lots and driveways? The completely transformed exterior that makes this generation stand apart. Attractive exterior. Design changes for the current generation brought bolder, more muscular proportions that distinguish the Traverse from generic crossover shapes. The front end draws inspiration from Chevrolet's full-size Tahoe, establishing clear family resemblance while maintaining its own identity. A prominent grille anchors the face, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the Traverse an upscale appearance. The Z71 trim stands out with adventure-ready styling cues including unique front and rear fascias. All-terrain tires, protective skid plates, and blacked-out exterior trim signal this variant's off-road intentions. Body-colored lower cladding gives other trims a more refined, urban-friendly appearance that appeals to families focused on daily driving rather than trail running. At the rear, horizontal LED taillights span the width of the liftgate, creating visual width and modern appeal. Dual exhaust outlets integrate cleanly into the rear bumper design, avoiding the fake finishers that cheapen some competitors. The power liftgate operates smoothly with hands-free activation available through higher trim packages. Anyone who's ever struggled with grocery bags in both hands while fumbling for keys will appreciate this feature. Just kick your foot under the rear bumper and the liftgate opens automatically, saving frustration during rushed shopping trips or when returning home with arms full of packages. All these exterior upgrades look great, sure, but the real question becomes which configuration actually makes sense, and that depends entirely on how Chevrolet structured the trim levels. Trim levels and features. The LT trim serves as the entry point, offering impressive standard equipment. A 17.7-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, running Google-based infotainment with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 11-inch digital instrument cluster provides multiple display configurations to suit driver preferences. Second-row captain's chairs, power liftgate, and wireless phone charging all come standard on this base trim. Here's something worth noting. Many manufacturers strip their base trims to bare bones, forcing buyers into expensive upgrades just to get basic conveniences. Chevrolet takes a different approach with the Traverse. Driver assistance features include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic high beams round out the safety suite. Even base models feel well-equipped rather than stripped-down transportation. The RS trim emphasizes sporty styling with unique exterior trim, blacked-out accents, and exclusive wheel designs. Inside, unique upholstery and trim pieces differentiate this variant from more conservative models. Super Cruise hands-free driving technology becomes available here, adding significant capability on compatible highways for long-distance travel. Long road trips with kids can drain any parent's patience, especially when traffic crawls through construction zones for miles. Super Cruise takes over the tedious highway driving, allowing drivers to relax while the system handles steering, braking, and acceleration on mapped highways. The Z71 brings legitimate off-road capability through standard all-wheel drive with twin-clutch rear differential, all-terrain tires, modified suspension tuning, and terrain-specific drive modes help this Traverse tackle trails that would stop street-focused crossovers. Exterior enhancements include skid plates protecting vital underbody components and unique styling that broadcasts capability. High Country represents the luxury flagship with premium leather upholstery and genuine wood trim. Ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, and premium Bose audio with 12 speakers create an upscale environment. Super Cruise comes standard here along with surround view cameras and advanced parking assistance. This top trim competes directly with premium brand 3-row crossovers while maintaining more approachable pricing. Speaking of pricing, you're probably wondering when this actually arrives and what the damage looks like. So let's break down the timeline and numbers. Release date and price. Production of 2027 models is starting in the second half of the year at GM's Lansing Delta Township Assembly Plant in Michigan. Dealerships will start accepting customer orders in mid-June 2026, giving interested buyers several weeks to configure their ideal Traverse. Vehicles should arrive at dealers throughout late summer and early fall 2026. Establishing strong availability heading into the new model year, pricing will see only modest adjustments from 2026 levels. Base LT models should start around $43,000, representing a slight increase that reflects typical year-over-year adjustments. The RS trim will land near $57,300, while the adventure-focused Z71 positions itself around $50,800. High Country tops the range at approximately $57,000, delivering premium features at prices well below luxury brand competitors. All-wheel drive adds roughly $2,000 to any trim level, maintaining historical pricing patterns. Optional packages vary by trim, but generally add between $1,500 and $3,000 depending on content. The enhanced driving package brings Super Cruise to LT and Z71 models along with enhanced parking assist and upgraded audio, typically costing around $2,500 as a bundle. The 2027 Chevrolet Traverse delivers what matters most to families who need serious hauling capability without compromise. With adult-friendly space in all 3 rows, Turbocharged performance exceeding the old V6 and nearly 98 cubic feet of cargo capacity, this crossover outperforms competitors that cost thousands more. The base LT arrives loaded with features other brands reserve for premium trims, wireless charging, power liftgate, captain's chairs, and comprehensive safety tech, all starting around $43,000. Whether you need the Z71's off-road capability or the High Country's luxury appointments, Chevrolet structured this lineup to deliver genuine value across every configuration. But this is an extremely competitive segment of the market with so many excellent alternatives. The Kia Telluride is certainly one of them, especially the 2027 model that receives a complete redesign, which you can check out in our next video. Bolder styling, 2 modern powertrains, and a cabin that puts many premium crossovers to shame are just some of several clear reasons.